Tick-tock. The countdown begins. 60 seconds to explain everything, from nothing to now. Imagine all of space, time, and energy compressed into a single unimaginable point. Smaller than an atom, hotter than anything you can conceive. This is the beginning, the moment before time itself existed. We call it the Planck era, lasting only 10 seconds. Physics as we know it doesn't even apply here. Gravity, quantum mechanics, space, all tangled together in chaos. It's the edge of knowledge, the point where science meets mystery. Then, in a blink, far faster than any blink could be, something happens. The universe inflates, not just expands, inflates exponentially, faster than the speed of light. In a fraction of a second, that tiny point balloons to cosmic size. Quantum ripples stretch across space, becoming the seeds of everything that will ever exist. Galaxies, stars, you, me. The universe is now vast, but it's still a storm of raw energy, incredibly hot and dense. The first seconds tick away. As expansion slows a little, energy starts to transform. Matter begins to form. Protons, neutrons, electrons. The young universe becomes a boiling plasma ocean, a glowing soup of charged particles. It's blindingly bright, yet no light can travel through it. Photons bounce endlessly, trapped by the fog of free electrons. For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe looks like a glowing cloud of chaos. Red, orange, and white. A cosmic storm of energy and particles colliding everywhere. Slowly, as the universe continues to stretch, it also cools. What was once billions of degrees now falls to a few thousand. The chaos begins to calm. Electrons find protons and lock together, forming the first neutral atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. For the first time, light is free. Those photons race across space and never stop. We can still detect their faint afterglow today as the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe, a whisper from 13.8 billion years ago. The fog lifts and the universe becomes transparent. Darkness fills the void, but within it, the story is just beginning. Over millions of years, gravity gets to work. Tiny irregularities, those quantum ripples from inflation, start pulling matter together. Hydrogen clouds grow denser, spinning and collapsing under their own weight. Then suddenly, fusion ignites. The first stars burst to life, colossal, brilliant, short-lived giants that burn with unimaginable intensity. These first stars flood the cosmos with light and heat, forging the first heavy elements inside their fiery cores. When they explode as supernovae, they scatter those elements across the universe: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of life. Galaxies form, merging, swirling into vast cosmic structures. Billions of stars populate each one, surrounded by dark matter we cannot see but know must be there. Over billions of years, new generations of stars are born, planets form, and in one tiny corner of one ordinary galaxy, a small yellow star appears, our sun. Around it, dust gathers into worlds. On one of those worlds, chemistry becomes biology. Life begins. Fast forward through cosmic time, 13.8 billion years after that first explosion. The universe has grown cold and immense. Galaxies drift apart as space itself continues to expand. The night sky we see is a map of the past. Every star, every galaxy, every faint glimmer of light is an echo of something long gone, still traveling through space to reach our eyes. Each photon carries a story, a timestamp, a memory of the Big Bang itself. And here we are, humans, tiny and fragile, standing on a small blue planet, looking up and trying to understand it all. Every atom in our bodies, the carbon in our cells, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, was forged inside stars that lived and died billions of years ago. We are literally made of stardust. The universe is not something out there. We are part of it. We are the universe trying to understand itself. Think about that, from a point smaller than an atom to galaxies 90 billion light years apart, all of it unfolding in just under 14 billion years. From nothing came everything. From chaos came structure. From energy came life. All of this from one moment of pure creation. So what began as a blinding flash has become the vast, silent cosmos we live in. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space. The beginning of everything we know and everything that will ever be. And even now, the universe keeps expanding, carrying galaxies away from one another faster and faster, as if that first burst of creation never truly ended. 60 seconds. That's all it takes to trace the entire history of the cosmos, from the Planck time to the birth of stars to the rise of life to you watching this right now. 13.8 billion years, compressed into 1 minute. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at the past, at light that's been traveling for billions of years just to reach your eyes. Every spark out there began in that first instant, that first breath of the universe. From one tiny point came everything.